Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode in which we are going to be discussing Algebra 5 and topic is about multiplying brackets, but this time it's going to be three linear brackets and exercise is 2 and star 2 that you can find on page 315. And in case if you need a PDF of this book, you can message me on WhatsApp number provided. Taking you straight to question number one. Let's see if you have two brackets like this. How do we do this? Same old method that I have explained you in the earlier video, that x square plus 3x minus 4 is going to be written two different times like this, and later is going to be multiplied by x and minus 1 like this. So first one is going to give us x cube and plus 3x square and minus 4x. Now for with the minus 1, it's going to be minus x square and minus 3x and plus 4. This is going to give us final solution as combining the like terms together, 3x square and minus x square in the examination in the textbook or homework once you get. So you should be showing all these steps. Please be reminded of this. When it comes to 3x x cube, and this is going to give us a 3x minus 1x is going to give us a 2x square, and minus 7x plus 4 is the final answer for this question. Moving on to question number 2. In here, first we are going to multiply x with x plus 2 to give us x square plus 2x in the first bracket, and then it's going to be multiplied by x plus 3. So what we'll do is I will write x plus 3 two different times. Either one you can write two different times. That does not really matter. X square and plus 2x will be written like this. So first one is going to give us x cube and plus 3x square and plus 2x square and plus 6x. So as a final answer, it's going to give us x cube and plus 5x square and plus 6x as the final answer for this question. Moving on to the next question. In here, first we multiply x minus 2 and x plus 2. So I will write x plus 2 two different times like this. But as a pattern, once you are working in your homework or the assignments or the exams, so you must write this one along with the step that you're taking. X plus 2 is going to be multiplied by x minus 2 this way. So final answer for this one is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 2x and minus 4. And this comes in one bracket. Later we'll simplify this to give us x square, and this is going to be plus 2x and minus 2x are going to be cancelled, and x square minus 4 in one bracket, and the other bracket is going to give us x plus 1. Now I will write x square minus 4 two different times. Instead I can write x plus 1 also two times. That does not really matter and does not affect the answer. So x minus 4 I'm writing two different times. First I multiply by x and then by plus 1 to give us x cube minus 4x, and this is going to give us plus x square and minus 4. So as a final answer, it's going to be x cube. Always make sure to write in order, x cube first and x squared comes later, and then minus 4x and minus 4 is going to be accepted answer for this question. Moving on to question number 4. In here, we are going to multiply x minus 1 with x minus 3. So I will write this two different times, and x plus 4 we write normally. So x minus 1 is going to multiply x minus 3 like this. So first bracket is going to be x square minus x and minus 3x and plus 3. So this comes in one bracket, and x plus 4 comes in another bracket. Simplification of the first bracket is going to give us x square and minus 4x and plus 3 in one bracket, and x plus 4 comes in another bracket. So finally, what I will do is I will write x square minus 4x plus 3 two different times. and then I'll multiply by x, and then comes by plus 4. So first bracket is going to give us x cubed minus 4x squared and plus 3x. Then comes plus 4x squared and minus 16x and plus 12, bringing the like terms together, minus 4x squared and plus 4x squared, and plus comes 3x minus 16x and plus 12. So as a final answer for this question, further simplification, these two are going to be cancelled. So x cubed and minus 13, x plus 12 is going to be the final answer for this question. Next question is question number 5. When it comes to question number 5, I will be writing x minus 4 two different times, and I will write x plus minus 6 for later use, and I will multiply with x minus 4, and this gives us x squared minus 4x and plus 16, and then this is going to be simplified later step, and x minus 6 is going to be something here. Now this is going to give us minus 8x plus 16 is to be multiplied by x minus 6. Now I will write x squared minus 8x plus 16 two different times like this, and plus 16 this way, and now I will write x minus 6. I will write x and minus 6 this way. Now when it comes to multiplication or simplifying this is going to give us x cubed minus 8x squared and plus 16x minus 6x squared and plus 48x, and minus plus is a minus. 16 times 6 is going to give us 96, and this is going to give us x cubed minus 8x squared minus 6x squared plus 16x plus 48x minus 96. So finally, your answer should have minus 14x squared, and 48 and 16 is going to give us 64x minus 96 as the final answer for this question. Moving on to question number 6. Question number 6 is going to take us somewhere here like this. Now I am going to make 3x minus 2. I will write two different times. 3x minus 2 two different times, x minus 1 for later use, and first I'll multiply by x and then with plus 1. So this is going to give us 3x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 2 is going to be multiplied by x minus 1. But before that we simplify the first bracket, so it gives us 3x squared, and it's going to be plus x because 3x minus 2x is going to be 1x only. So this is going to be multiplied by x minus 1. So finally what we are going to do is 3x squared plus x minus 2. I will write two different times. 3x squared plus x minus 2, I'm writing two different times. First I multiply by x and then by minus 1. So in here the final answer is going to be 3x to the power 4 plus x squared and minus 2x. Then comes minus 3x squared and minus x and then plus 2. Keeping the like terms together, 3x power 4 plus x squared and minus 3x squared minus 2x minus x and plus 2. Further simplification is going to lead us to 3x power 4, and this is going to be minus 2x squared and minus 3x plus 2 as the final answer for this question. Moving on to question number 7. In here, we are going to solve first x minus 1 whole square. That means it is going to give us x squared minus 2x and plus 1 is the expansion of x minus 1 whole square. So this is going to be in the first bracket, and this is going to be multiplied by x plus 2. Now I will write x squared minus 2x plus 1 as the first bracket. Copy down this once again, and then x and plus 2 like this. So it's going to be x cubed minus 2x square and plus x plus 2x square minus 4x and plus 2. So simplification is going to give us x cubed, and minus 2x square and plus 2x square are going to be cancelled, and minus 4x plus 1x is going to give us minus 3x plus 2 as the final answer for question number 7. Now this is a cube of x plus 1, so that means it's going to be x plus 1 is going to be multiplied by x square plus 2x plus 1 is going to be multiplied by x plus 1. So I will write x square plus 2x plus 1 two different times, something like this, and multiplied by x and plus 1 like this. So this is going to give us x cubed plus 2x square and plus x. And the second bracket is going to give us a plus x square plus 2x and plus 1. Now further simplification is going to take us to the final answer. 2x square and 1x square is going to give us a 3x square, and 2x and plus 1x is going to give us another 3x, and then plus 1 is going to be the final answer for question number 8. That's how exercise 1 is completely done. Exercise 2, I mean. Now we are moving on to 2-star exercise, which is something like this. Okay, so when it's going to be x squared minus 5x plus 2 is going to be multiplied by 2x plus 3. So I have written x squared minus 5x plus 2 two different times, and then it's going to multiply by 2x and plus 3 separately. So first one is going to give us a 2x cube and minus 10x square, and then it gives us a plus 4x. Then the next one is going to give us a plus 3x square and minus 15x, and plus 3 times 2 is a 6. Now we are going to keep the like terms together, minus 10x square and plus 3x square and plus 4x minus 15x plus 6. Now they are in order. Now we can easily subtract or add. This gives us minus 7x square and plus minus 11x plus 6 is going to be the final answer for this question. When it comes to question number 2, it's going to be something like this. I have written that when these two are multiplied together, it gives us x squared plus 2x. So I have written this in the first bracket, and it's going to multiply by x minus 5. So x squared plus 2x I have written two different times and multiplied by x minus 5. Let's see what we get. This gives us x cubed plus 2x square minus 5x square, and minus plus is a minus 10x. Now final answer for this one is going to be minus 3x square and minus 10x as the final answer for this question. Moving on to next question, which is question number 3. In here there are three brackets and they are going to be multiplied together. So first I'll multiply 3x plus 2 two different times, first with x and next with minus 7. So first one is going to give us a 3x square and plus 2x. Next one is giving us 21x and minus 14. This is going to be multiplied by x minus 3, but later. Before that, we simplify the first bracket, 3x squared, and 21 minus 2 is going to give us a negative 19x and minus 14. This is going to be multiplied by x minus 3. That's the reason we are going to write this two different times, 3x squared minus 19x minus 14. This has to be multiplied two times, first with x and next with minus 3. So I'm writing this for the second time, minus 19x minus 14, and first I'll multiply this by x and then next by minus 3. So this is going to give us 3x cubed minus 19x squared and minus 14x. This gives us minus 9x squared. Minus minus is a plus. 3 times 19 is going to give us 57 plus 57 x, and minus minus is a plus. 14 times 3 is going to give us a 42. Next is simplification. So I'll keep the like terms together, minus 19x squared and minus 9x squared minus 14x and plus 57x plus 42. So 3x cubed and 19 and 9 is going to give us 28. 28x squared, and 57 minus 14 is going to give us a 43. So it's going to be plus 43x plus 42 as the final answer for this question. Moving on to the next one, I've already written that 2x minus 1 I have written two different times. First I is going to multiply by 3x and second by minus 4. So first one is going to give us a 6x squared minus 3x, and the third one is going to give us minus 8x, and minus minus is a plus 4. So first we simplify this and then we multiply by 4x minus 3. Let's see what gives us as a simplification of this part. This gives us 11x plus 4, and now we are going to multiply this by 4x minus 3. Then I will write this two different times, 6x squared minus 11x plus 4. I will write this two different times, 6x squared minus 11x and plus 4. Now I will multiply this by 4x first and then I'll multiply with negative 3. So 4 times 6 is going to give us a 24. 24x cubed minus 44x and plus 16x minus 3 times 6 is 18x squared, and minus minus is a plus 33x, and minus plus is a minus, gives you a 12. So what we do is keep the like terms together. So 24x cubed minus 18x is a 44x square. Yes, 44x square. So minus 44x square and minus 18x square. Then comes plus 16x and then plus 33x and minus 12. So this gives us 24x cubed, and 44 and 18 gives us a minus 62. 62x squared, and then this gives us 33 and 16 is going to give us 9 here, 49x minus 12 as the final answer for this question. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 5. In here I've already know very well that the expansion of x plus 2 whole square is actually equals to x square plus 4x plus 4 as the formula is used. Now I will multiply this by first by 2x and then by minus 3. Let's see what we get. We get 2x cubed and plus 8x squared and plus 8x. Now we come to this one. Minus 3 is going to multiply by x squared to give us minus 3x squared, and minus plus is a minus, 4 times 3 is a 12, x and minus plus is a minus, 3 times 4 is a 12. So this gives us, keeping the like terms together, 8x squared and minus 3x squared comes together, and plus 8x and minus 12x comes together, gives you minus 12. Then moving on to the next step to calculate, 8 minus 3 is giving us a plus 5x squared, and minus 12 plus 8 is going to give us a minus 4x and minus 12 as the final answer for this question. Now comes question number 6. In here, 2x plus 5 is going to multiply by first by x squared and second by plus 1, and then later by 4x plus 2. Now, as a conclusion, this gives us 2x cubed and plus 5x squared. Then it gives us 2x plus 5. We are going to first simplify this, and then we will multiply by 4x plus 2. Now it gives us 2x cubed and plus 5x plus 2x. So we don't need to keep the like terms together because there is no like term here. So first I will write 2x cubed and plus 5x squared and plus 2x plus 5. I will write this two times. I use a smarter way of copying this guy. I will write it here, and then first I will multiply this by 4x, and then I will multiply by 2. So as a result, we are going to get 8x power 4 and plus 20x cube, and then comes 4 times 2 is a 8x square, and then plus 4 times 5 is a 20x. Now look at this one. When we multiply these two, we are going to get a plus 4x cube and then plus 10x square, then comes plus 4x, and then comes plus 10. Now we are concluding it and keeping the like terms together. First I have written x power 4. There is no like term with this. So first I will write 2x cube, and then I will write plus 4x cube from here. These two are like terms. Then comes plus 8x square and plus 10x square. So I will write as it is, 8x square and plus 10x square. Then comes the value of plus 20x and plus 4x. So I will write plus 20x. These steps are very important. Never miss these steps because these steps are going to get you full marks and without deduction of any marks for working. So at 8x power 4 and 2x cube and 4x cube gives us a 6x cube, and 8 and 10 gives us an 18x square. Then 20x and 4 gives us a plus 24x plus 10. This is the final answer for question number 6. Now comes question number 7. I know very well that 2x minus 3 whole cube means 2x minus 3 is multiplied by itself 3 different times. So I have written 2x minus 3 2 different times and multiplying 2x minus 3, and this 2x minus 3 is going to be multiplying later. So I will write this 2x minus 3 once again here, that we are going to multiply this by later. So this gives us 4x square minus 6x, and then comes minus 6x once again, and plus 9. This comes in one bracket, and later we are going to multiply minus 2x minus 3 once we simplify the first bracket. This gives us 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is going to be multiplied by 2x minus 3. Now I will write two different times 4x square, two different times like this. Now I'm going to multiply this by 2x first, and then later I will multiply by minus 3. So first bracket is going to be expanding, and this gives us 8x cube minus 24x square, and plus 9 times 2 is an 18x. Now look at these two. This gives us minus 3 times 4 is a 12x square, minus minus is going to be giving us a plus. 3 times 12 is a 36x, and minus 3 times 9 is a 27. Now comes a simplification, keeping the like terms together. 8x cube minus 24x square and minus 12x square together, and plus 18x and plus 36x together. Now we can add and subtract. Let's see what we get. So 8x cube and minus 24 and minus 12 is going to give us a minus 36x square, and 36 plus 18 is going to give us 54. It's going to be a 54x minus 27 as the final answer for this question number 7. Now comes the last question, which is question number 8. Here I know that I have written x minus 2 two different times and multiplying by x plus 4. So first one is going to give us x square minus 2x plus 4x, and plus minus is a minus 8. This comes in first bracket, and x plus 3 and x minus 1 comes later in action. Simplifying this gives us x square plus 2x minus 8. This becomes the first bracket, and now we are going to multiply by x plus 3 first and later with x minus 1. So I am going to write this two different times, and I'll multiply by x minus 1 a little later once we get the answer for this part of the question. So x plus 3 comes here. This one is going to give us x cube and plus 2x square minus 8x. These two are going to give us a 3x square plus 3x square, and plus plus is a plus. 3 times 2 is a 6x, and plus minus is a minus. 3 times 8 is a 24. This is the answer for the first bracket. Now we are going to simplify the first bracket, and let's see what we get. X cube and 2x square and 3x square, they are going to give us a 5x square. So we will just write 5x square, and minus 8x and plus 6x is going to give us minus 2x. So I'm writing straight away minus 2x, and then comes minus 24. This is the simplification for the first bracket. Now we are going to multiply with x minus 1. Now I'll copy this two different times. First is this one, and second is this one. Now I'm going to multiply first bracket with x, and then comes minus 1. So now as a final, you're going to get x power 4 plus 5x cube and minus 2x square and minus 24x. Now look at this one. This minus 1 is going to change all the signs. So I'm writing as it is with a different sign. Plus becomes minus, and this minus becomes plus 2x and plus 24. Now simplifying this, keeping the like terms together, x power 4, I'm writing plus 5x cube minus x cube is going to give us a plus 4x cube. So I'm writing straight away without keeping the like terms together. Now comes 2x square and minus 5x square. So these two are going to give us minus 7x square. Minus 7x square. Then comes minus 24x and 2x. These two are going to give us a minus 22x. Minus 22x. And now comes number minus 5 and plus 24 gives us 19 as the final answer for this question number 8, which is the last question of this exercise and this presentation as well. Now moving back and see, the next topic is going to be on 3 and 3 star. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly do share and subscribe for the channel. Thank you once again.